I'm showing you Dubai Creek. Yes, you can see the marvelous view of Dubai Creek. I will magnify it. Yes, Dubai Creek has multi-purpose importance. Now, primarily, it is used for tourism purpose. Yes, our purpose is we have come here to cover Asia Cup. But while covering Asia Cup, we are covering tourist places also. This is popular tourist place and we can see one ship is sailing. Yes, people call it. It has importance for transport also for local cities. But major purpose is tourism. Middle East, especially Dubai, is growing tourism to the larger extent. And of course, many visitors also we can see from Asian subcontinent we can see. So now we are focusing visitors. Yes, many people come to visit this area. This is popular area. And again we are going back. This is old Dubai and new Dubai combination. What is old Dubai? Dubai retaining its old culture, that is old Dubai. And of course new Dubai, that is surrounding that. You can see the tower, that is new Dubai. Yes. And rest typical landmarks that we have seen during our childhood, during the stories of Arabian Nights. Yes, that is old Dubai. I like both. I like old Dubai as a culture, and yes, new Dubai definitely, that is towers. So new concept and old concept we should welcome. Again we can see the city view at the creek. And again you can't miss the tower. See, I can't reach the tower also. Dubai is known as a city of towers. Dubai is known for towers. People usually only focus on Burj Khalifa, but there are many towers which have their own identity and own existence and own popularity in Dubai. Yes, I shall again focus on the creek. It is beautiful evening at Dubai Creek. Yes. Still it is evening. Time difference between Dubai and India is 1.5 hours. And of course, in front of me is a water taxi station. Yes, you have seen bus station, train station, but this is typically the water taxi station, that is marine station. Rarely seen, rarely shown, because bus station, train station we know, but this is water taxi station, rarely shown, rarely seen. Yes, and our purpose while covering Asia Cup to show the tourist places. Yes, we will continue. Magnificent, this ship is sailing. Usually you see the small ships because there are certain restaurants also with the ships, but they are not popular. They were popular before COVID, but after COVID situation has changed. Still, impact of COVID on tourism, I'm saying impact of COVID on tourism is not over. I understand there are 4 years or 3 to 4 years happened, pandemic ended, but impact is persisting. And I spoke to many travel agents in Dubai. They said this impact may persist for many years. You can see some tourists coming back. Yes, yes, thank you sir. So many tourists are coming back. One tourist said me hi, hello. Yes, we can see lot of Asians, lot of Indians, lot of Sri Lankans here. So that is the beauty of Dubai. It is city where we call it as a global city because citizens merge together. They share their beliefs together. In Marathi, विचारांची देवाणघेवाण होते. When we stagnate to our own city like Kalyan, Dadar, Mumbai, Thane, yes, we remain in our typical circle. Yes, Dubai takes us away from that circle. It teaches you to think globally. Yes, global thinking has a great importance. Yes, this ship we can see close, very close look. Some other places also we can see. Towers we have already seen. Some tourists are waiting. There is no much crowd, though it is Sunday today. But as Asia Cup will progress, because on 9th September Asia Cup will start, tourists will start coming more and more, because some people come to watch only cricket match, but some people come to watch Dubai city, Abu Dhabi cities, Sharjah city. So that is tourism. So multi-purpose visit is also there. Yes, we shall continue to show you more and more places in and around Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. It will be my sincere attempt to show you the more places.